Hey, what's going on, my YouTube folks? Back with another video. Just a little short video clip. I just wanted to show this boy with a gun, you know what I mean? And it's very, very graphic on the front of a shirt, you know, show you multiple colors, you know. Please subscribe to my channel. More videos coming soon. I'll be doing a lot more tutorials, going in depth with how I create the shirts, how I do the designs or whatnot. So please don't forget to smash that like button on this video and comment down below if you would like to see me actually do a step-by-step tutorial on how I made this shirt or a similar shirt. So right now, of course, I got the black, and then I layer the silver hologram on top, you know. Pretty much that's how it came out. Okay, so for the back, it basically, you know, has, let me flip it over real quick so y'all can see. It's got this, don't shoot, let peace be the way. Now, I definitely feel like I could have done it better if I outlined it in black, but you'll see the shirt in a second. What it do, y'all? Just wanted to show y'all this shirt real quick. See him with the gun. Check out the sleeve. It'll be in the back. Alright, I'm back. I definitely hope y'all like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the finished product, it was definitely smooth, you know what I mean? That was about a year ago I made that shirt, so I no longer have that shirt in my possession anymore. But if you want to see me make a similar shirt, please smash that like button. Don't forget to comment down below. And if you're not a subscriber yet to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned because more videos are coming weekly. I know I've been saying that to my subscribers for so long, weekly. But I think I finally got the hang of this thing, you know what I'm saying? Next, I'm about to show y'all just a few different variations of that exact same shirt. Some mock-ups that I created, you know, in Corel Draw. So, check them out.